Jordan River is quite famous, not only here in Israel, but all over the world. I'm now standing next to it, and probably the first thing that comes to your mind is, so where is the noise of the water, right? So Jordan River isn't that loud in all of its parts, and here is actually very, very calm. Want to have a look? Here is it. In some areas of it, the Jordan River is actually quite wide. In those areas of the Jordan River, people love coming to kayaking and having water activity and water sport. Rafting here. There is a mongoose just here. I'll try to film it. I just saw a cute mongoose. That was a mongoose. We can see them quite a lot here in this area. They don't love to come too close to human beings. The water of the Jordan River will get from three main streams: Chatzbani, Dan, and Banyas. Altogether, they will go to the Sea of Galilee, and after a short while in the Sea of Galilee, the water will continue slowly all the way to the Dead Sea. I hope that you enjoyed this video. In my Facebook page, you'll be able to find many more beautiful videos about our lovely Israel. Do you want to be a part of it? Do you want to come joining me traveling Israel? Then press like, contact me, and see you in Israel. Bye-bye.